So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add sections on Etsy. So for that guys, first of all open any web browser on your system and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, first of all you'll have to log into your account, and after that choose this option right here called Shop Manager. So guys, after coming on this page, choose this option right here called Listings. So guys, as you can see, we have come onto this page of listings, and as you can see, I have just a one product of mine. And guys, you can have multiple products, and you can also add another section for your product by just clicking on this button right here called Add a Listing. After that, you guys will come on this page, and now you just have to fill up all of the details that are necessary for your new section. And after that you just have to click on this button right here called Publish, and then you guys are good to go. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.